How to find someone on Snapchat by username. Want to connect with friends but not sure how to find them? No stress. Whether it's an old buddy or a new cross, searching by username is the easiest way. Let me show you how, step by step. First, open Snapchat. Now here, tap on the search bar at the top. This is your shortcut to finding anyone. Tap on it. Now type the exact username of the person you are looking for. Once you enter the username, tap on search. Now tap it to open their profile. And if it's the right person, hit the add friend to send a request like this. And just like that, your friend request will be sent to them. And that's all it takes. If this helped, smash the like button and follow for more tips. Who will you add next? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.